In the early days of March 2024, Israel requested the ICJ to dismiss South Africa's plea for emergency orders to increase humanitarian aid to Gaza. Israel argued that the accusations of intentionally causing human suffering were baseless. Unfolding against the backdrop of this dialogue was a crisis in Gaza, with relief agencies reporting severe restrictions on essential aid, leading to warnings of an imminent famine. Fast forward to mid-May 2024, the situation escalated as South Africa took a bold step. It urged the ICJ to order Israel to halt its assault on Rafah in Gaza, accusing Israel of genocide against Palestinians. South Africa's plea was not just for a ceasefire, but also for humanitarian aid access and the withdrawal of Israeli forces from Gaza. Finally, on this very day, the 24th of May, 2024, the ICJ has made a landmark ruling. The court has ordered Israel to cease its ground offensive in Rafah, Gaza, citing the immense risk to Palestinians, and called for urgent enforcement of its measures. This ruling has been met with urgent calls for U.S. President Joe Biden to halt arms transfers to Israel. Despite these developments, the U.S. has yet to take significant action to halt arms transfers. This ruling has opened an opportunity for the UN Security Council to take action against Israel, with the U.S. facing pressure to support such measures. The situation in Gaza, marked by a high death toll and a humanitarian crisis, has led to worldwide demands for accountability and action to prevent further harm. In summary, the events of the past few months have brought to the forefront questions of justice, human rights, and international law. From Israel's plea to the ICJ in March to the court's ruling in May, the world has watched as the situation in Gaza has unfolded. As we stand today, the demand for accountability and action is stronger than ever. The world waits to see how the UN Security Council and the US will respond to this call for justice. The question remains, will justice indeed prevail? Only time will tell.